If you're managing health and safety in South Africa, you know that the OHS Act requires any workplace with more than 5 employees to have a compliant first aid kit. But when you go to order, you're faced with options. Office Reg 3, Factory Reg 3, Regulation 7. So what's the actual difference? And which one avoids fines during a Department of Labour inspection? Let's break it down. First, let's look at Factory Regulation 3 versus Office Regulation 3. Both kits fall under the General Safety Regulation 3 of the Occupational Health and Safety Act. The core difference isn't in the types of items inside, it's the quantity. A Factory Regulation 3 first aid kit contains the full 100% statutory requirement of medical consumables, including maximum quantities of bandages, dressings, antiseptics, splints, and gloves. It's designed for higher risk occupational environments. However, under General Safety Regulation 3, low-risk environments classified specifically as offices or retail shops are legally permitted to reduce the quantities of certain items like triangular bandages, conforming bandages, wound cleaner, and first aid dressings by half. So, an Office Regulation 3 kit is simply a reduced quantity kit tailored for low-risk environments, saving you space and money while keeping you 100% legally compliant. Now, what about Regulation 3 versus Regulation 7? Here's an insider fact. Regulation 7 is actually an industry standard term used by OHS professionals and suppliers rather than a separate line in the OHS Act annexure. A Regulation 3 kit covers your basic first aid needs like wounds, burns, sprains, and minor trauma. A Regulation 7 takes that standard Regulation 3 inventory and adds essential body fluid and blood spill management items. That means you get absorbent granules, biohazard disposable bags, heavy-duty gloves, and disinfectant. If your workplace involves heavy machinery, construction, manufacturing, or any environment where deep cuts, heavy bleeding, or exposure to biological fluids is a risk, a Regulation 7 kit is necessary to protect both the casualty and the first aider. So to summarize, Office Reg 3 is a reduced quantities for low-risk office and shop environments. Factory Reg 3 is a full standard quantities according to the OHS Act, and the Regulation 7 is a Factory Regulation 3 with a blood spill kit. Not sure which kit your facility needs, or need to top up on your existing kit with a fresh refill pack? Firstaider has you covered with fully OHS compliant boxes, bags, and refills for every industry. Visit firstaider.co.za today to order online or speak to one of our safety specialists.